This is something I said I would never do, but I'm super excited to finally do it now. Let's open this up and I'll explain. We're finally installing bags, baby. What is up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For those of you who don't know, I'm Tyler. This is Mushu. And on this channel, I make automotive content. For the majority of my last videos, I've been building my 987 Cayman with the first Karma Cayman wide body kit in Northern America, the second kit ever produced. If you'd like to see any of these build series videos, click in this right-hand corner. It'll take you to a playlist and you can get caught up on everything. Let's get this right out of the way. Today's video is sponsored by Ceika Performance, who provided this entire air kit. So today what we're gonna be doing is unboxing their pro grade full air suspension kit. If you'd like to check out any of their products for yourself, they offer a wide range of automotive products from air suspension to brake kits. Click the link in the description, take you right to their page, but don't click the link until after you've seen this video. Yeah, watch this whole thing, please. If you're new here or if you're a returning viewer and you're unaware, we make new videos every single Tuesday, so if you could please support your boy out here in my journey to 100,000 subscribers, I would greatly appreciate it. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you who are sitting at home or wherever you're at watching this video right now. I work hard in producing these videos and I just appreciate all of you guys watching it. So shout out to you guys who make these videos possible. All right, let's jump right into this. Let's unbox the rest of this air suspension kit and yeah. Starting off, our first box, little obvious, you guys already saw it, our air struts. This is our front strut. As you can see, the camber plates and adjustment on the top plate here. And then we have our rear air strut. Initial takeaways. These things look great, they feel great. I love the blue anodized top plates and locking collars. Nothing much really to it in this first box. You have some like fittings, and then obviously you get your spanner wrenches and things like that in here. Stoked to finally have these things in hand and see them in person. It's just making me that much more excited to get these things in. Let's get to the meat and potatoes. Let's open up the second box and see what we got. Oh, much heavier like this. Yeah. I feel like this is upside down. And look, this is what we're getting inside the box. As you can see, Ceika Performance right here, already on the tank. Pull this out. This tank is huge. All right, let me pull this out of the box real quick. Look at this. It says super professional / super performance. So there's kind of a lot. With the Ceika Performance Pro Airlift Kit, you get to choose what size tank, what size compressor, if you want dual compressors. They provide airlines, fittings, I don't know what these are, isolators, power cable, inline fuse. Mushu, can you stop playing with this stuff? You get a relay. Now the most interesting thing is the management. It's a little bit different than other air management that you may be used to. So this air management module right here where all your air lines go into, as you can see on the back side, has these external sensors. Now this is what's going to take all the readings of all the air pressures and everything and send it to the actual management module, so they're separate. This also has other connections and cables and things. They have a little keychain remote in here, and then the external remote. Pretty straightforward. You have 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are presets. You can push front and rear up and then control each bag individually. Everything you see here comes with the Ceika Pro Airlift kit. I know this seems a bit involved and a little bit different than some of the other air management systems that you've seen out there, but this is what we are running. Now that we've unboxed everything, have everything laid out on the table, I kind of want to go over why we are running this kit, why we went with Ceika. The first and biggest reason is the Cayman is not like most cars out there. The aftermarket community for the 987 Cayman specifically isn't very large, and there isn't a huge variety of parts. Airlift themselves, Universal Air, all your regular household names don't make an air suspension kit for the Cayman. Now I know D2 makes an airlift kit. I know I've seen Yellow Speed make an airlift kit. However, they don't come with a full setup. One of the main selling points for me that I went with Ceika is that when I ordered it, I can order everything that you see here. I didn't have to go buy each piece individually. It's already set and done in one single package for me. So that's why we're running this. When I reached out to Ceika, they were more than happy to come on board and partner with the build. I'm gonna go out there and say that this is not a full sponsorship. They did not give me this for free. I did pay for this. And Ceika has agreed to allow me to give an unbiased review of what I think of this entire kit, setup, installation, and then overall end product. I'm extremely excited to announce that we're finally bagging the Cayman. And I'm excited to have shown everybody who is curious what the Ceika airlift kit looks like here in the flesh. The very next video that you see, Kyle and I will be installing this kit, and I'll let you know everything that you need to make this work and what will make your life easier and how this whole setup works. I do want to let you guys know 100% right off the bat, as you can see right here, we only have one compressor. This is a 485C. I'm going to be running dual compressors. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna do two 485s or if I'm gonna take this one and switch it to two 444s. Because this tank is pretty big, I definitely think having two compressors is the way to go. If one fails, you have another one that still works. If you guys have any questions about this kit, comment them down below. I will try and answer everything to the best of my ability. Or if there's anything that you guys would like to see in the future, comment that down below, because again, next week we will be installing this kit, and that's going to be the very next video that you guys see. So if you guys are interested in that, stay tuned. Again, we release new videos every Tuesday, so go ahead, subscribe, don't miss out. I appreciate everybody watching this video. Hopefully it was helpful for some of you to see this. And for all of you out there who just support the build and are excited to finally see me do air after all the years of being static on the Genesis and on the Cayman, I'm finally doing air. It's finally here. This is gonna be a huge learning curve for me, and I'm excited to dive headfirst right into it. With that, I will catch you guys in the next one. See you on Tuesday. Out of here. All right, for those of you who stayed to the end, here's a little special treat. I couldn't resist myself. Here's a little test mock-up of what it's gonna look like in the back of the car. Pretty dope. Fits in here perfectly, actually. Like, to the point where even this opens up perfectly, so you could still do your oil and coolant. So it's pretty nice. Let's do a hatch test. Is it gonna hit? Is it gonna hit? Nope. Oh. Money. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that rear trunk set up forever. I may do something cool. I don't know. But for the time being, that's how it's gonna be until I decide what I want. Sick. Now we're out of here.